Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and if you have a home that's in a city or a town that is in a historical area, you may have to adhere to very specific styles of windows to go with, and here we go. You bought a house and it's built back in 1910, 1920s, right? And it's in a beautiful area. If you're gonna replace these windows, you have to make sure that they're like for like. Most times, whenever you go and for us pulling a permit, they're gonna say, well, is this zoned in a historical area? So what they'll do is they'll look up the address and go, oh, yes, this is a historical area. So whatever style of windows are there now, they must remain. They have wood windows from back in 1910, 1920, and you're gonna go and put in a vinyl window or a fiberglass window or a metal window, that's gonna be a no-go. And that's gonna be a bad, bad deal for the owner of that home if they don't do their due diligence, or we ourselves don't do the due diligence and find out what is allowed in that house. You can get burned up pretty good by a city. Make you take everything back out again on your own dime and then replace it with what they would have told you in the first place. Usually it's always like for like. They don't want to put a vinyl window into a original wood window home if it's historical. Most times that's not going to be an issue. But if it's a historical area, you can't go from a wood window to a vinyl or even a steel window. A lot of times they're gonna say, okay, well listen, to keep the look of the house true, you need to replace that steel window with another steel window or a metal window that is comparable. It's gotta look the same, it's gotta operate the same. So these are things that if you live in a historical house and you're thinking, oh, I need to get some new windows, well, okay, oh, you can do that. But you might have to pay more for some of these other styles of windows that are just inherently more expensive. If you got a wood window, guess what? You're gonna end up having to buy a wood window to replace it with, and you're gonna spend 3 times what you would most other cases. So you're going to have to pay more to keep that place up. Windows is one of those things. Guys, hopefully this helps. Have a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.